If Microsoft Edge is showing a too many redirects error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that usually solve the problem quickly. This issue is often caused by a broken cookie, a corrupted cache, or even an extension that is interfering with the page load. So instead of guessing, we'll go through the easiest steps one by one. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. All right, let's jump in. First, try opening the website in a private window. This is a really useful test because private browsing disables most saved session data and can help you tell whether the problem is related to cookies or browser history. To do this in Microsoft Edge, click the 3 dots in the top right corner and choose New in Private Window. Once the private window opens, go back to the website and try loading it again. If the site works here, that's a strong sign that the issue is stored in your normal browsing data. If you still see the redirect error, the next step is to clear your cookies and cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for redirect loops because old website data can conflict with the current version of the page. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data screen in Edge. From there, make sure cookies and other site data are selected, along with cached images and files. You can usually keep the time range set to all time if you want the cleanest reset. Then click Clear Now and give Edge a moment to remove the data. After that, close and reopen the browser, then try the website again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem immediately. If the error is still happening, the last step is to check your extensions. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with logins, page redirects, and website scripts, especially privacy tools, ad blockers, or security extensions. To test this, go to the Extensions page in Edge. You can do this by clicking the menu, choosing Extensions, and then opening the Extensions Management page. Once you are there, toggle all extensions temporarily. The goal here is to see whether one of them is causing the redirect loop. After turning them off, go back to the website and test it again. If the page loads properly now, you can re-enable the extensions one at a time to find the one causing the issue. So to quickly recap, if Microsoft Edge says too many redirects, first try the site in a private window, then clear cookies and cache with Ctrl-Shift-Delete, and finally, disable all extensions to check for conflicts. These 3 steps solve a lot of browser redirect issues without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Microsoft Edge troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.